Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to explore the incredible benefits of drinking turmeric milk. So grab your favorite mug and let's dive in. This golden spice has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its numerous health benefits. The active compound responsible for many of its therapeutic properties is called curcumin. Turmeric is packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants. It contains vitamins and minerals that contribute to overall well-being. Plus, it's known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidative properties. One of the standout benefits of turmeric is its powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is linked to various diseases, and curcumin in turmeric has been shown to help combat inflammation in the body. Turmeric milk can also give your immune system a boost. Its antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties help strengthen your body's defenses against infections and illnesses. Many people find relief from digestive issues by incorporating turmeric milk into their routine. It helps stimulate bile production, which aids in digestion and can alleviate symptoms like bloating and indigestion. If you struggle with sleep, turmeric milk might be your new bedtime ritual. Turmeric contains an amino acid called tryptophan, which can contribute to the production of serotonin and melatonin, the hormones responsible for regulating sleep. For those dealing with joint pain and arthritis, turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties can be particularly beneficial. Some studies suggest that it may help alleviate symptoms and improve joint function. If you want tips for making turmeric milk, be sure to check out my other video dedicated to this golden elixir. You can find the link in the description below. The incredible benefits of drinking turmeric milk. From its anti-inflammatory effects to immune-boosting properties, it's a golden elixir worth considering for your overall well-being. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health and wellness content. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.